So my buddy Nels gave me these rental bars in exchange for some gas money. And I'm gonna see how they do on here. And replace my stock bars. So there you go, before, after. I'm done with the steel piece of crap, and I think it looks really good. Now I'm gonna go up just up the road and see how far I can get. Yeah, the new 351 kit feels great. Well, 351 feels great, and it's got a lot of power. You'll see. Let's get 0 to 60. Almost dumped her. Super slot. I don't see me getting much further. Yeah, I don't think so. See if we get on down. Found the trick even on the slippery stuff. This is as slippery as it gets. You know, it's ice. You gotta stand up. Stand up on the pegs and squeeze your thighs on the bike, you know. And if you have to, drop a foot, but bounce it. Like that, you know. And once you sit on your ass, you're kind of done for. You're just bouncing off the rut and the bike's doing what it wants. Standing up keeps the center of gravity low on the pegs. So you want to do that. Woo. And if you're about to lose her, you know, just kind of take a chill pill for a second. Yeah, this bike's lots of fun now. Practice some wheelies and stuff. Well, this is cool.